Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode where we explore all things Southern cooking and barbecue. Today we're diving into something every serious cook needs, and that's a good set of knives. I got something special from KnifeSaga, a 14-piece knife set that promises to up your game in the kitchen or at the pit. Now let's break down and see what's inside this bad boy. We've got everything from an 8-inch chef knife to a 7-inch Santoku, to a precise 3.5-inch paring knife. They throw in these kitchen shears, plus this gorgeous wooden knife block with a sharpener on the end. Man, this thing will look great in any Southern kitchen. First off, let's talk about the feel of these knives. These knives have the perfect weight to them. Not too heavy, not too light. They're just right for those long hours you might spend in the kitchen. The ergonomic handles are designed for comfort and control, which, as you know, that it's essential for slicing into that brisket or dicing up those vegetables for a Southern gumbo. Wow, that's a square cucumber. These blades are made from high carbon stainless steel, which not only means that they're durable, but they're super sharp. And when I say sharp, I mean these babies can cut through a tomato like butter. Doesn't even bruise the skin, and I'm just lightly pushing. Whether you're slicing through a thick slab of brisket or delicately slicing through a loaf of freshly baked bread, these knives will handle it all. You know, beets are hard, and this thing cuts them like butter. The precision you get with each cut is exactly what you need in the kitchen if you're serious about cooking. And let's not forget about these kitchen shears. They're sturdy, they're sharp as heck, and perfect for everything from snipping herbs to cutting through poultry. A must-have addition to any kitchen toolkit. So if you're in the market for a set of knives that combine Southern charm with top-notch performance, I highly recommend KnifeSaga. I think KnifeSaga has nailed it with this 14-piece knife set. I know you're gonna ask about the price. So as of July of 2024, these will set you back about $119. Maybe have a coupon code for you. You'll have to check the link in the description for that. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you're interested in these knives, go over to KnifeSaga and pick you up some. Hopefully there'll be a code. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. All right, guys, y'all keep cooking and grilling. The 14-piece KnifeSaga set, pick it up. Do it.